Today, we're diving into the ultimate accessory for your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, specifically designed for models from 2021 to 2024, excluding the 2024 Model 3. This 5-piece center console organizer tray set is crafted from high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ensuring durability and a sleek matte finish. With its precisely cut edges, it seamlessly integrates into your Tesla's interior without hindering any original functions, and installation is a breeze, just like OEM parts. The exclusive drawer design allows for smooth sliding, doubling your storage space and keeping your items organized and easily accessible. Plus, the odorless silicone pad inside prevents slipping and rattling, ensuring a quiet ride even during acceleration or braking. Say goodbye to a cluttered center console, as this organizer accommodates everything from smartphones and sunglasses to keys and coins, all neatly arranged in its 4 sub-boxes. Enhance your Tesla experience with this must-have accessory that combines functionality, style, and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.